So let's do an example of present value. So here's the context of our example. So what principal will amount to 17,715.61 at 4.5% per year, compounded semi-annually in 6 years? So first off, is this simple interest or is this compound? And again, we're noticing the word compounded show up in our question, so it's compound interest. Second question is, am I trying to find our principal or present value, or are we trying to find our future value or maturity value? And it says directly in the question what principal will amount to 17,000, etc. So we want to find, basically, we want to find our PV or our principal or present value. So in a compound situation, let's go to our formula sheet for our financial portion. So we're in the compound interest, and we would like to find our present value or principal, so the initial number going in. So we have the following formula. Notice this one has the negative exponent on it, so watch that carefully when you're putting down your formula. So we would like to find present value, which is equivalent to future value multiplied by 1 plus I to the negative n. So let's break down what we have given in the question, and what we need to find. So we want to find present value. So we have future value, so what it will amount to. So this is our future value amount, is 17,715.61. It is at 4.5 per year. That's my rate of interest. So 4.5%, which we know should be written at 0.045. Compounded semi-annually, so that's twice per year. So our compounding period is 2, and our time frame is over 6 years. So our t-value is 6. It's in year format, so we're good. We know how to do conversion that way. So we know we need two other things. We need to calculate our I value and our n value, and we have formulas for that. So I is equal to R divided by M, and n is equal to M times T. So R is 0.045. We're compounding semi-annually, so twice a year. So that's divided by 2. And then our n value is our M, which is 2, multiplied by our time frame, which is 6. So that's equivalent to 12. So again, we have our three values that we can substitute into our formula. So present value is future value, 17,715.61, multiplied by 1 plus I, 0.045, divided by 2, and all of that is to the negative 12. So again, please follow BEDMAS. Whether you do it all in your calculator in one go, or you take a few intermediate steps, just make sure you don't round until the very end. So I did my intermediate bracket here before I did my exponent. Just keep everything in your calculator. So it's 1.0225 to the negative 12, and then you end up getting 13,564.2664, etc. And I'm going to round that to the nearest cent. So $13,564.27. So if we want to accumulate to our future value of around 17,700, etc., using this information, we know we have to invest at a present value of 13,564.27.